Hey, what's up, everybody, and good morning. Welcome to a new episode of Sharing Portfolio. Well, guys, there is a news. I have shifted my attention from VECHAIN to Polygon Matic now. There are several reasons why I have shifted my attention, and I have also increased my portfolio, my corpus. So, the reason why is that because there are some very big events coming for Polygon as well as in Bitcoin, as in crypto environment, so it's a big chance to earn cash. Well, I stopped my VHN videos because of several reasons. I earned some profit and then I cashed out. I stopped. I paid my I invested somewhere else, and that is how it was going. Well, currently I have invested heavily. That is, I have 19,230 tokens. I will make it to 20,000 tokens by next week or next month, or maybe in 2 months. But I invested around 10,000 euros, and the ultimate goal is to get minimum 15,000 or 20,000 euros out of it within a short period of time. Okay, let's understand what is Polygon. Well, Polygon is a second layer, or it works on Ethereum. It's a second layer on the top of Ethereum. It's a blockchain layer, and what it does, if Ethereum is processing the transactions like 7 transactions or 27 transactions per second, then Polygon has the capacity or the power or the scale to do a processing of 7,000 transactions per second. So we are talking about, means this, we are talking about 7,000 divided by 27. 27 is Ethereum's capacity, and Polygon's capacity is 7,000 transactions. So 259 times it is faster than Ethereum. Well, it's like a small, it's like an assistant to Ethereum blockchain, where it supports the applications, it supports blockchain transactions or transfer of money, etc., etc. So then, yeah, if Ethereum price goes up, then obviously the Polygon price also goes up. Well, Polygon and Bitcoin, they have around 85% correlation among each other, where you can see in different into different websites. One of the cool websites that I saw is Into the Block, and here they provide many graphs or many analytics about cryptocurrencies. Let me search matic, and one can see, I have to sign up, but then one can see, means here this is not the main analytics that you want to see. The analytics is here, where you see these green and the red ones, and the green and the red ones will indicate that, okay, who are the people, between which range, price range to price range, people are in profit, and what kind of holdings they are having, etc., etc. So it gives an idea about volume, as well as people who are waiting for certain price range to be achieved, and then they will sell it. It gives those kind of ideas. Then you can already know what kind of stop loss you have to provide for your portfolio. So my portfolio is around 10,000 euros now, and each second, €1 up or €2 down, it gives me a kind of a chilling effect. But yeah, I have been accumulating, and finally I thought, okay, let's disclose it to the public. Well, the reason why I invested in Polygon, because there are many reasons. First of all, Polygon as a token itself, it is going to launch Polygon 2. It is upgrading from Polygon 1 to Polygon 2. Well, Polygon 2 is much more faster than Polygon 1. There is lower transaction fees and increased scalability. So I asked Bart about the comparison, what is happening there. How much faster is Polygon 2 from Polygon 1? Let me ask this question also, because this could be interesting, because Polygon 1 is 7,000 transactions per second, whereas Ethereum is 27, so it's 259 to 60 times faster. Let's see how much faster it can Polygon 2 is. Okay, so I got it. So if Polygon 1 was 7 transactions per second, then it is 10,000 transactions per second with transaction fees lower and scalability high. So guys, we are talking about here maybe that it is supporting it helping Ethereum transactions. The block 2 layer is much more faster than the Ethereum layer. So people, rather than developing apps in Ethereum blockchain, the base layer, they can do in Polygon layer for much more scalable, higher speed and higher scalability. And the transactions per second is also very high. Okay, so the first thing is that why I invested in Polygon was, first of all, it is upgrading from Polygon 2 to Polygon 1 to Polygon 2, and it is happening in quarter 4 only. So in quarter 4 only, so maybe I can see a 30-40% up, an upward side within by the end of the December, something like that. Then second is Polygon is also creating its own apart from its own environment technological development, it is also doing providing other services like helping the developers with ChatGPT kind of co-pilot assistant and other things. So that is also one of the some cool positive news what they have done. And they have also like partnered with they made quite a big partnership with many big companies now. I think with Visa company also they did something, a partnership. So that is also one of the good news. Then apart from Polygon specific news, there is also ETF, Bitcoin ETF, because you already know that Bitcoin ETF applications are in the market. There are many big companies, including BlackRock, and BlackRock is the world's largest investing company with $10 trillion investment capacity. So if their application gets approved, then obviously they will put in 1 trillion or 500 billion into it, and then the price of Bitcoin will go high. As Polygon has a correlation with Bitcoin, so if Bitcoin price is going upward, so obviously this if Bitcoin, then Polygon price will also go upward. So it means that at least I'm expecting a 40-50% earning as a return from the good news. Also, the first deadline there, SEC for all the applications, because the idea is that if one application is approved, then all the applications will also get approved. So the first deadline crossed, and SEC, which is the governing body in for all these applications, and getting and also the body which is going to give approvals for Bitcoin ETF applications. Then there they said that they have postponed it till the next deadline, and once the Bitcoin ETF applications are approved, then Bitcoin, rather than only in crypto exchanges, Bitcoin can also be traded in Nasdaq, S&P, or NSE, BSC, all the normal trading exchanges also. So okay, so the first was from Polygon 1 to Polygon 2 upgradation. The second one is the Bitcoin applications, the ETF one. The third one is the Bitcoin halving. The next Bitcoin halving is in next year, March 2024, where during the halving, the reward for miners get reduced. Means if I have been doing proof of work, running the proof of work algorithm and mining Bitcoin to get rewards, now people were getting 6.25 BTC. But later on they will be getting 3.125 BTC. So then the Bitcoin supply will get reduced, and then Bard itself is saying that if the supply is getting reduced, then there will be increase in demand, because slowly everyone is adopting Bitcoin because of its transaction security facilities that it provides. So halving is next year, March. This is also a very big event where historically or empirically the prices generally go up by 50-60%. So the chances that Bitcoin touching 100K is high. So there are three big events coming from Pol 1 to Pol 2 upgradation, then Bitcoin halving, and Bitcoin ETF applications. With this, that is why I believe I have invested heavily, and minimum I expect a 50% to 100% return within a short period of time. So yeah, and I'm not stopping here. I am going to add more and more and more. Let's see what happens. with that, I shared my portfolio, guys. Do give a like and subscribe, and subscribe to my channel to because I will be making videos about polygons and what is happening in the polygon environment and domain and how it is affecting my corpus. So yeah, that was I wanted to share all in all. Have a nice day, guys, and keep investing and do invest, because this is a big chance to earn good rewards, because 2025 24 is a big, like a very profitable year for crypto market. So I think if you invest 15k or 20k, then easily you can earn a good amount of money to go for the next vacation. With that being said, have a nice day, guys, and we will see each other in the next video. Okay, bye bye.